Hey everyone, welcome back to MotoVision. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 BMW M3 Touring. This high-performance wagon is the perfect blend of practicality and power, bringing M3-level excitement with added versatility. If you love speed, luxury, and everyday usability, this car might be your dream machine. Stick around as we break down its design, interior, performance, and pricing. Let's get started. The 2025 BMW M3 Touring carries that aggressive M DNA with its signature kidney grille, which has been slightly refined for better aerodynamics. The sharp adaptive LED headlights with BMW's Laserlight technology enhance visibility and give it a bold presence on the road. The front bumper features large air intakes, optimizing airflow for performance and cooling. Inside, the cabin screams performance and luxury. The M carbon bucket seats provide excellent support while maintaining comfort. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with M-style stitching, and behind it, you'll find a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display. The 14.9-inch curved infotainment screen runs on BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end Harman Kardon sound system. Moving to the rear, the M3 Touring offers ample legroom and premium leather upholstery with Alcantara accents. Unlike standard sports cars, this performance wagon ensures that passengers enjoy the ride with added comfort features like rear climate control, heated seats, and USB-C charging ports. The panoramic sunroof enhances the airy feel of the cabin. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M3 Touring packs a 3.0L twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, pushing out 530 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. It comes with xDrive all-wheel drive for insane traction and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.5 seconds. Whether you're on the track or hitting the highway, this beast delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience. At the back, the 2025 BMW M3 Touring boasts a sleek yet muscular stance with a quad exhaust system, an aggressive rear diffuser, and a subtle roof spoiler. The full-width LED taillights add to the sporty appeal, while the M badging reminds everyone this isn't just any wagon, it's an M3. The 2025 cubic meters Touring is built for both performance and practicality. It comes with forged 19-inch front and 20-inch rear alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires for maximum grip. The wide stance, sculpted lines, and flared wheel arches give it an unmistakable road presence. BMW also offers exclusive M colors like Isle of Man Green, Brooklyn Gray, and Frozen Black Metallic. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 BMW M3 Touring starts at approximately $95,000, with higher trims and optional packages pushing it over $110,000. For those wanting the ultimate driving experience, BMW also offers an M Performance package, adding carbon fiber components and a sportier exhaust system. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 BMW M3 Touring. What do you think? Is this the perfect mix of performance and practicality? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-performance car reviews. Thanks for watching MotoVision. See you in the next one.